Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to upload a short video on YouTube. If you want to upload a short video on YouTube, so you just have to open your YouTube app and here tap on plus icon, and now you have to select short. Here's that, tap on it, and now you have to open your gallery or record the video you want to share, and here you have to choose the video as I have chosen. Now tap on next, and after that you have to tap on done, and here you have to enter a title for your video. Here you have to choose a sound, tap on it. Now select the sound you want, and after that you have to tap on done. Here tap on next, and here you have to add some details of your video, and after that you have to tap on upload. So that's how you can upload a short video on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.